Welcome to Puzzle Spark once again. Can you guess the animal just by its sound? I'll play a sound, and you have 5 seconds to guess. Let's see how many you can get right. Before starting, please subscribe our channel for more fun quizzes. Let's start. Which animal make this sound? It is a lion. Who makes this noise? This is the voice of elephant. Listen carefully. Which animal howls like this? This is howls of a wolf. Listen carefully. Whose sound is this? It's the voice of parrot. Listen carefully. Which sea creature makes this sound? It's dolphin's voice. Listen carefully. Who meows like this? This is cat's meow. Listen carefully. Which animal neighs like this? This is the voice of horse neigh. Listen carefully. Which animal croaks like this? It is the sound of frog. Listen carefully. Which bird makes this sound? This is the sound of a duck. Listen carefully. Who moves like this? This is the moose of a cow. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.